So I've been messing around with copper sheet to make various items, and what I've been wanting to make is a small style drinking cup, something like a shot glass style cup for whiskey, but as you can see, pretty unsuccessfully so far. So I'm moving on to this copper bar stock. This is an 1.125" diameter by 2 inches tall, which may be a little bit too tall, but we'll see how it turns out. So I plan on forging this by, heating it up and then just depressing a piece of steel into the middle and see if I can form the cup that way. Before I begin, I just want to give a shout out to one gentleman for a donation, and that person is Bruce Butcher. Thanks a lot, Bruce. Sure doesn't look hot, but it is. I decided to go from 5/8 to 3/4, and I probably could have gone to 1 inch. It's amazing to me how quickly this copper shrunk from 2 inches tall to 1 inch. Since the bar I used is not tapered, I was having a hard time getting it out of the hole. And the logical solution to me was to hammer the sides, and I didn't initially want to do that, but I decided to do it anyway. Don't get me wrong, I like this, but this looks more and more like Fred Flintstone shot glass to me. And that may be because the walls are still pretty thick. I just wanted to round the lips just a little bit. Again, throughout this whole video, this copper just doesn't look hot, but trust me, it is, and it's very soft when I pull it out of the forge, and just before I pull it out, it almost seems like it's going to melt, like it's going to slump. I'll put us a wee drop. Cheers. Okay, so after using this, I decided I'd like to change it, and so I expanded the hole by using a 7/8 inch rod, and I also squared it up and heightened it a little bit. From cold to hot, the copper gives off an interesting rainbow of colors. I didn't want to hammer on it and ruin the shape, so I just did this to pull that rod out. And I gave it one more heat in the forge to heighten the top end just a little bit more, and then repeated this process. I didn't like the way it looked after I wire brushed it heavily. So what I did was I gave it one more heat, and I just, maybe for like 30 seconds, and then took it out. And so I've got this deeper, richer copper color, and to the point where it's, starting to turn gray around here, getting up higher to forging temperature. But I think it looks better like that. So there it is. So time to pour one more. Maybe a little bit more than a wee drop this time. Spilled some out there. Spilled a little bit for my homies. Thanks for watching.